But let's take you to the ground as well in Ladakh. Remember that the situation is still on razor's edge. It is still volatile and grim. Indian Army, however, is in a state of full operational preparedness, and the Air Force also is in top gear, carrying out sorties as well. Take a look at the special report by Sandeep Unnithan.
With a roar, a beast returns to base. An Indian Air Force MiG-29 fighter jet arriving back at the Leh Air Base after a mission over Ladakh. The roar of its twin engines, now a signature sound in this stretch of the Himalayas. And here's a Mirage 2000 in a low pass over the Leh airfield before climbing out for its next mission. On the ground, a pair of formidably armed Apache helicopters lifts off. They have their own prowling to do in airspace close to the standoff zone. As winter arrives and Indian Army troops consolidate their positions at dominant heights across the standoff zone, the Indian Air Force is in top gear for both offensive and defensive air operations. Military preparedness in Ladakh has been high for nearly 5 months now. But since the end of August, the tempo of missions has hit a record high. As you can see from these images, the Indian Armed Forces aren't waiting for China to make a move. They're fully prepared for any eventuality. But China's stubborn refusal to confirm dates for an agreed round of military talks has spurred suspense and added to uncertainties in eastern Ladakh. If you're wondering about the recently inducted Indian Air Force Rafale fighters, India today can confirm to you that the jets have been flying periodic missions over Ladakh. The Indian Air Force chief had dropped a major hint about the aircraft's readiness at the induction ceremony in Ambala recently.
They have already flown and familiarized with our operational environment and have undergone intense integrated training with our other combat fleets, including firing of advanced weapons. And I expect the golden arrows to intimidate and dominate whenever and wherever employed.
In a scenario unique to the Indian Air Force and representative of its arsenal, air power in Ladakh stands represented by both one of the oldest fighter types in service, the MiG-21, and the newest, the Rafale. Super high altitude, super cold weather, no deterrent to the tempo of air operations.
A clear day over Leh today, but war clouds looming large in Ladakh. Mirage 2000 fighter jets, MiG-29 air superiority fighters and Su-30s have been carrying out a number of sorties. The army is extensively deployed and increasing numbers along the line of actual control to keep an eye on an extremely belligerent and untrustworthy China. Coupled with this is the fact that China appears reluctant to return to the dialogue table. What is the dragon planning? Is there more deceit in store? With Sandeep Unnithan and cameraman Kripal Singh in Leh, Gaurav Sawant for India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.